Before starting to lay the floor, a cove former and capping strip must be fitted to the perimeter of the installation to support the floor when it is turned up the wall. To install the capping strip, mark the required height to the wall surface, a maximum of 150 mm, with a pencil or chalk line. Then apply adhesive to the section of the wall and back of the capping strip, ensuring it's on a piece of hardboard. Miter the internal corners. Once the adhesive is touch dry, firmly position the capping strip into place. Whether you are using a wet adhesive or this double-sided tape shown here, the method of fitting a capping strip around the external corner is the same. To fit the external corners, cut a section out of the back of the capping and place a separate piece of floor under the capping. Firmly position the capping strip into place. Repeat the contact adhesive process with the back of the cove former. When the adhesive is touch dry, fit the cove former firmly into position, accurately mitering the corners.